Hi there, all the leaders, the president, the prime ministers, the heads of the states of all the different nations of the world. I really remind you, my dear friends, this Fakir Yogi Brendra Yogi, Gautama, Siddhartha and Vivekananda are incarnate. Try to love in peace and harmony. That is only the way, the cooperation, the kindness and compassion, the sharing and caring for every human being. Living in peaceful coexistence with all your neighbors and all your nations of the world, because today the world has been united. We have conquered time and space. We cannot fight. And here is one very remarkable thing. The French President Emmanuel Macron has quoted my friend Narendra Modi, because Narendra Modi has made one statement that in this 21st century, there is no space for war, there is no place for war. There has to be only negotiations to settle out all kind of differences, because war is death trap which can engulf the whole world. And that's true. We should never quarrel, we should never dispute ourselves just for petty things. Vital is we have to live and we have to be selfless citizens of the world, because this is the teachings of yoga, my dear friend, and Vedanta, that is Rig Veda particularly. It is teaching you through unity of song. Sang gachadvam sambadadvam samo manasi janatam. Deva bhagam yatha purve sanjanana upasate. Samano akute samane hirdaneva samano vasti yatha susasate. Samano mantra samiti samani. Samanam manah sachit mesham. Samanam mantram avimantre. Vah samaneno hamisha jhomi. The meaning and the translation is, briefly, we have to walk together, we have to speak together the truth, we have to learn to be in perfect harmony and peace. We have all to follow the path of the greatest of the great who taught us. There is only one way towards harmony and peace. The real way is love all, respect all, care for all. And that has been very well dealt with in the Indian civilization. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the whole earth is my family, our family, your family. We all the nations, more than 200, they are all family members. All the citizens are our sisters and brothers. That's why said by my best friend Narendra Dutt, Narendra, Vivekananda, what we call. Dear friends, this is the real message. And Atma Sarvhutesu, we should have feelings, which was also told to the world by my best friend Charlie Chaplin. In his great movie, The Great Dictator, we have developed a speed, but we have shut ourselves in. The machinery that gives us abundance has left us want. Our cleverness has made us hard and unkind. We think too much, we feel too little. More than machinery, we need humanity. More than cleverness, we need kindness and gentleness. Without these great humanitarian qualities, we will be really going for wars as Putin and Zelensky doing, and the whole world is supporting sometimes this way or that way to really create the situation for World War III. So bottom line is, we should all learn to live in peace and harmony. Whatever is loss made in the wars, it is belonging to every citizen of the planet Earth. The war kills our sisters and brothers and destroys our property. The world is one, it is a family loss. That's why my best friend Narendra Modi made one announcement when he met with the world leaders in one of the gatherings. This 21st century and the coming generation is not for wars, but for peace, for cooperation. That's why he said in the UN also once, United Nations General Assembly, that we belong to India, which teaches us peaceful living by Buddha. and we never attack anybody. We never try to encroach anything from anybody. We believe in the philosophy of universal brotherhood. That is the universal teaching, that is the truth of life. Leaders of the world, listen to me. I am not powerful leaders like you, but I tell you, enlightened, who loves and loves and loves and loves and loves birds, fish, animals, plants and humans, have feelings for you. If you fight in this world of nuclear arsenals and weapons, you will be committing suicide. Putin, listen to me, your best friend. Zelensky, the puppet of the hands of my some few friends, Biden and NATO alliance heads. You are inviting problems for yourself. You are easily challenging Putin, and you are seeing your country being destroyed, devastated, your soldiers being killed, the citizens being displaced, poverty is attacking you, the whole world is victims of your egotism, arrogance and stupidity. Arise, awake and stop not till good sense prevail on all of you leaders of the world. This is my message. Thank you, viewers.